supporting at all costs for 3, for 8, in 7, in 3. Belly to spine. Movements here for 8, 7, back down. So 1 range, 1 speed. And back. Chest is right over that thigh. I want to square to your anchor point. Your chest. Right over that. On our next count 3. So ladies. 10. Once again. Lift up. Hold. Keep that gaze to the ceiling. Looking so strong. Hands to the box. In those, flex into that left foot. With an extension of that right leg. Nice and stacked here, ladies. Sorry, my long-legged ladies. We got just another few reps. On my side, but I'm nice and tall as I stand up. So remember, pulling back and down. Nice straight line from the crown of my head to the base of that spot. We just got. And we'll take a quick stretch. Remember, don't